ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यमुना तीरावनचारी। यमुना तीरावनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 10, Text number 6. नादयो व्याधयः क्लेश। नादयो व्याधयः क्लेशा दैवभूतात्महेतवः। दैवभूतात्महेतवः। अजातशत्राव अभवान्। अजातशत्राव अभवन्। जानतु नाम राजनीकर्हिचित्। जानतु नाम रागिकर्हिचित्। न never. आध्याय anxiety. व्याध्ययः disease. क्लेशा trouble due to excessive heat and cold. Deva Bhutatma, all due to the body, supernatural power, and other living beings. Hetavaha, due to the cause of Ajata Shatrav, unto one who has no enemy. Abhavan, happened. Jantu Nam, of the living beings. Ragi, unto the king. Karhichit, at any time. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Because of the kings having no enemy, the living beings were not at any time disturbed by mental agonies, diseases, or excessive heat or cold. Please repeat. Because of the kings having no enemy, the living beings were not at any time disturbed by mental agonies, diseases, or excessive heat or cold. To be non-violent to human being and to be killer of enemy of the poor animals is Satan's philosophy. In this age, there is enmity toward poor animals, and therefore the poor creatures are always anxious. The reaction of the poor animals is being forced on human society, and therefore there is always the strain of cold or hot war between men, individually, collectively, or nationally. At the time of Maharaj Yudhishthir, there were no different nations, although there were different subordinate states. The whole world was united, and the supreme head, being a trained king like Yudhishthira, kept all the inhabitants free from anxiety, diseases, and excessive heat and cold. They are not only economically well-to-do, but also physically fit and undisturbed by supernatural power, by enmity from other living beings, and by disturbance of bodily and mental agonies. There is a proverb in Bengali that a bad king spoils the kingdom and a bad housewife spoils the family. This truth is applicable here also. Because the king was pious and obedient to the Lord and sages, because he was no one's enemy, and because he was a recognized agent of the Lord and therefore protected by him, all the citizens under the king's protection were, so to speak, directly protected by the Lord and his authorized agents. Unless one is pious and recognized by the Lord, he cannot make others happy who are under his care. There is full cooperation between man and God, and man and nature, and this conscious cooperation between man and God and man and nature, as exemplified by King Yudhishthir, can bring about happiness, peace, and prosperity in the world. The attitude of exploiting one another, the custom of the day, will only bring misery. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। आदयो व्याधय क्लेशा दैवभूतात्म हेतवः अजात शत्राव अभवन जानतु नाम राज्ञ करहि चेत्। Because of the kings having no enemy, the living beings were not at any time disturbed by mental agonies, diseases, or excessive heat or cold. Suta Goswami is giving a new angle. He's been discussing the kingdom of Yudhishthir Maharaj. And here he adds one more thing, that because the king is Ajata Shatru, having no enemy, the Bhutatmas, Daiva and Bhutatma, they're all cooperating with him. Because of that, there is no Ayadhya, Adaya, Vyadaya and Klesha. Adaya means anxiety, Vyadaya is disease, and Klesha means misery, trouble. So we have heard of these three Kleshas when we are in the material world. Adi Atmika, Adi Bhautika, and Adi Daivika. That's what is spoken here. Three Kleshas created by the Devas. Right now, in America there is a big problem. In the northeast, some storm that got mixed up with the cold wave. And so here in Florida, in Tallahassee, where I am now, till about day before, we had 85 degrees temperature in the daytime, 85 Fahrenheit, and nights were also comfortable. You could have seen me in just wearing a dhoti and a very thin chadar. And this storm is almost more than 1,000 miles away, but suddenly the weather has become chilly. You know. So today, when I was trying to come to the temple room, I had to walk out in the open and then come here. So first I thought, let me go just like that. But then, looking at my age and everything, I said, no, let me. So I just put up a shirt today. Because of the Devi, what is called Adi Devika problem. You know, this is created by the supernatural powers, the Devas. Because nobody is bothered about them. Devas get angry once in a while because just nobody is bothered. No more sacrifices. No more yajna. And they get their share only from yajna. Somewhere, some universe, some planet, somewhere it's happening. That's why they're still there. You know. Otherwise, they can create much more problems. So here we see that just if the king is good, the whole population can also enjoy that. Actually, the 1/6 of the papa or punya of the king goes to the praja, and vice versa. If the king is good and the praja is bad, then also the king suffers and the state suffers. But generally, if the king is good, to a large extent, praja will be good too. Some bad elements will be always there, but I'm talking of average. You can see that. And Yudhishthir Maharaj had no enemies because everybody was under him at that time when he took over. He was the king of the world. Today, if you talk of that, nobody will even, nobody wants to believe that. How can that be? Because in the very town you are living, there are problems. So much politics. How can there be in the whole world one person? So that is how it was. Mahabharata war was the war between the two armies which were belonging to the whole world. The whole world was divided into two. They fought, and then Yudhishthira Maharaj became the king. So here certain symptoms are being discussed by Srila Prabhupada. Because Yudhishthira was a trained king, Prabhupada says, he kept all the inhabitants free from anxiety, disease and excessive. That's the three kleshas I talked about. They were not only economically well-to-do, but also physically fit and undisturbed by supernatural power, by enmity from other living beings, and by disturbance of bodily and mental agony. Today we see the worst enemy is the Adhyatmika, our own body and our own mind. They create the biggest problem for us. Some disease or the other, or mental tension. Very few people can claim that they are tension free. But if you start your day in the morning listening to Bhagavad Katha, then it can help you a lot, when during the day you can always remember what you've heard. And that can help. So at least this is also not being used by people. I feel so sad sometimes that when I was young and wanted to learn this, I had to do it on my own. There was no facility available. Remember, I read the whole Bhagavatam just shloka by shloka, like what we are doing now. But now it's all available. You don't have to listen to me. There are so many other nice devotees. So somebody may say, "Oh, I don't like your class." So it's okay. I'm just repeating what is there. I mean, you can see that even the purport we are reading from Srila Prabhupada. But people don't take advantage. People have their own agenda. Of course, some I can understand they are in their offices or schools, but I'm sending the recordings. Even there, I have to keep reminding every now and then that, because when I see that hardly few people are there. Oh, it's long, very long. You don't have time to download. And of course, downloading doesn't help only. You have to actually listen, read. But even that problem we are trying to solve now. Manisha Mataji, she is trying to put everything on YouTube now. So YouTube, one advantage is you don't have to download or something. It's all there always. The only problem is you may not see me. You may only hear me. It's okay. Nothing worth seeing. What do you see in an old man started growing beard? But somehow, if you take advantage of this wonderful narration by Vyasadeva and then commentaries by Srila Prabhupada, you can yourself see. Try it out and you'll see the result. Okay, I'd like to stop here. And if you have any questions, comments, you can write to me. But I say that every day. I get some few questions here and there. It's okay. Thank you. Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai.